Sterling Egg, AH-6 Little Bird Agility in Special Operations. For more than 40 years, the AH-6 Little Bird, a special operations helicopter, has supported U.S. commandos around the world. There are two versions of Little Bird that operate with Night Stalker. The AH-6 is the attack iteration, while the MH-6 is the attack/transport version. The former is flown by two Night Stalkers and can pack a versatile and tough one. The latter is flown again by two pilots but can carry up to 6 or more attackers in an emergency in 2 pods on each side of the fuselage. Other versions can also carry motorbikes, small boats, and even kayaks, using a great insertion and extraction platform for very small special operation elements. The AH-6 has a maximum cruising speed of 126 knots, about 150 miles per hour, and a maximum range of 205 miles, which translates to about 2 hours of direct flight. It has an altitude of 20,000 feet, but is at its best when flying close to the ground, with excellent napping capability and a great power-to-weight ratio, which makes the AH-6 Little Bird highly maneuverable. The ability to swap weapon systems depending on the mission makes the AH-6 Little Bird a flexible aircraft that can deal with a wide variety of threats. The threat of the enemy determines the type of weapon system we will choose to carry. Our job as professional weapons pilots is to arm helicopters for the types of threats we may face with light armor, tanks, vehicles, buildings, personnel, etc. The standard configuration for the AH-6 is what we call duals, or 2x M134 miniguns and 2x 7-shot rocket pods. It's a lot of firepower in a small package. The two Night Stalker pilots on the AH-6 Little Bird also carried their own rifles and pistols, and there were cases when they had to use them to attack ground targets after Winchester or run out of weapons. The AH-6 is unlike any other helicopter I've flown. When you sit in a chair, you are literally strapping the machine to your back. This high-performance helicopter is fully aerobatic and like driving a Ferrari fun to fly. The AH-6 series MD-530 helicopter is very easy to maintain in harsh environments. It is a simple halo compared to others, without hydraulics and designed to be reparable with its modular system design. The AH-6 series MD-530 helicopter is very easy to maintain in harsh environments. It is a simple halo compared to others, without hydraulics and designed to be reparable with its modular system design. Although there is talk of replacing the AH-6 which, similar to modern platforms, Night Stalkers fly more so that even when they are old, eggs can still contribute to the fight. When asked about the idea of helping Little Bird, Coker supported the war battle.